Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix WerFault.exe application error unable to start correctly.
Fix 1. Restart Windows Error Reporting Service Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type Services. MSC. Press Enter. Step 2. Find Windows Error Reporting Service. Step 3. Right-click Restart. Fix 2. Run System File Checker. SFC. Step 1. Press Win plus X. Terminal Admin. Step 2. Type SFC o scanno and press Enter. Step 3. Wait for scan to finish and restart PC. Fix 3. Run dism tool Step 1. Open command prompt admin. Step 2. Type dism online cleanup. Image restore health Step 3. Press enter and reboot after completion. Fix 4. Disable Windows error reporting Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type services. MSC Step 2. Double click Windows error reporting service Step 3. Set startup type to disabled. OK.